fixes the toilet. Take one. Okay, kids. This is my first plumbing experience. Don't hate. Alright. You should probably get a close-up on the problem here. Alright, this is really gross water. I'm not sure if it's poop or if it's rust, but I'm gonna take the chance anyways. Ew. Ew!
Oh, you
This
have a
is so
ponytail on your
gross.
wrist.
Oh no, I have a ponytail on my wrist. Ew, 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 I can't find the cord.
What?
This is not my, what is it called?
Oh, there we
I just flushed the toilet. I think I see the problem here, folks. Do I have a plumber's crack?
No.
Can you see my plumber's crack?
plumber dimples.
Okay. Everyone, the toilet's fixed. Now,
Cut.